Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well today. My name's Emily, and I'm here today to share my review of Sumatra Slim Belly Tonic. So if you're here, I'm pretty sure you're looking for more info about it. Well, stick with me because I'm here to give you all of the information about this product and also give you an important alert before you buy it. But hey, if you're watching this video until the end and you still need more information, I provided the link in the official website. I just left it below in the description of my video. So all you have to do is check out the description in the box and hit that link to go directly to the official website where you can find all the important details. But trust me, you want to stay with me till the end because the alerts I've got will only be here in this video. All right. So Sumatra Slim Belly Tonic is a dietary supplement meant to help all of you folks out there who want to shed some pounds in a healthy and speedy way. Healthy because it's all natural. That means no chemicals, just natural and organic stuff like plant and herb extract, vitamins, nutrients, and minerals, which target the root cause of belly fat. Because our bodies need a certain amount of those to try and stay healthy and stop storing fat. So this tonic, it fills in the gaps in your body's nutrients. And finally, your body understands it's all good and starts shedding the stored fat. Yep, it really works. It's been helping thousands of people worldwide. You can check out people's testimonials on their official website. And the best part, no side effects, no contradictions. Anyone can take it and experience the benefits. Taking it is super simple, folks. It is not a pill that you have to swallow. It's just a powder. Just mix a scoop into your favorite drink and boom, your daily treatment is done. But hey, do it for at least 3 months though. I highly recommend forgoing the full 6-month treatment for lasting and effective results. And get this, they even offer a money-back guarantee. Yeah, you heard me right. If you don't like it or you don't see results, just contact their support team for a full refund. They'll give you back 100% of your money, no questions asked. So you've got nothing to lose here, folks. You can feel super safe buying this product. The only place that you can get the real deal is the official website. You can't buy it in drugstores or anywhere else. So please keep that in mind. All right, that's all, guys. I hope I have provided all of the important information about Sumatra Slim Belly Tonic. Thanks a bunch for watching till the end. But seriously, go check out the official website for all of their discount offers.